Hi guys, it's Simone from Simone Simple Glam. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys is having a wonderful day. In today's video, I will be decorating my guest bathroom. I'm also going to be putting some artwork onto the wall as well. Everything in today's video is budget friendly. I shop my home from most of the items that I will be using except for one new purchase. As you can see, I put up my shower curtain and that is from Ross. That was $11.99. I'm using 2 window panels at the top and that is 96 inch in length and that is from Amazon. I will leave the link down in the description box just in case you guys are interested. I'm placing this artwork over my toilet and that is from Burlington. I usually take 2 small nails and nail it into the frame of my artwork, clip the top of the nails and just push it into the wall. So that is what I am doing right there. This is my new purchase. It came in a pack of 3 for $19.99 and they are from Burlington. My towels are from Ross. I had those for quite some time now, but I'm just going to use those today. I'm also going to place this tassel between my towels and that is from Amazon. It came in a pack of 2. I'm placing a Buddha and an air diffuser on the back of my toilet and those are from Ross. I'm going to use this small tray for my hand towels and that tray is from Burlington. I'm going to use my toothbrush holder, that is from Ross, but I'm going to use that as a vase. I got these peony flowers from Amazon. They came on a bunch. I just took a wire cutter and I cut a few off just so I can use. I'm going to use this tall vase on this side of the room and that is from Burlington. I have 2 pieces of greenery from Hobby Lobby and some fresh eucalyptus from Ross. I'm going to put that rug there. That is from Burlington and we are all finished, you guys. So let me show you the finished product.